Box from Japan. This one contains the Magic User set from appland.live. I could just open it from the bottom. The thank you this time goes to Canada Post. I didn't have a blade ready. I just alright. And this is around the time I make sure that I'm actually recording. This is an acrylic stand. Observe the beautiful craftsmanship. And we got a keychain. Shiro. My bedroom has been cleaned, so I have a place to put my acrylic stands and such, but hasn't been organized, so it's still a little messy. But something that can go into use right away is the can badges. Here we have Guren Batsumaru. Here we have Caro Pino, who recently hit 100,000. Congratulations. Here's Kagura Suzu. And we have Kakyo Cherry. And of course, Deno Shoujo Shiro. That's great. Hey, thank you for watching.